How to learn. 1. Listen to the story. 2. Assess understanding. 3. Difficult word explanation. 4. Question review. 1. Listen to the story. The story of Jack and Sarah. Once upon a time, there lived a man named Jack. He was a wealthy businessman and lived a luxurious life. Despite his wealth and success, he was unhappy. He felt that something was missing in his life, and he couldn't put his finger on it. One day, while Jack was walking through the park, he saw a woman sitting on a bench, crying. Jack approached her and asked if she was okay. The woman, named Sarah, told Jack that her husband had left her for another woman. Jack was shocked to hear this and couldn't believe that someone would leave such a beautiful and kind woman like Sarah. Jack felt a deep connection with Sarah, and he knew that he had to do something to help her. He offered to take Sarah out for dinner to cheer her up, and she agreed. Over the course of their meal, Jack and Sarah talked about their lives and what they were looking for in a partner. Jack was struck by how similar their desires were, and he knew that he had found the missing piece in his life. After that night, Jack and Sarah started dating, and it wasn't long before they were married. They were happy and in love, and Jack felt like he had finally found the happiness that had been missing in his life. However, just as quickly as their happiness had come, it was taken away. Sarah became ill, and despite all of the medical treatments, she passed away. Jack was devastated by the loss of his wife, and he felt as though he would never be able to love again. But as time passed, Jack realized that the love that he and Sarah had shared would never die. He knew that she was still with him, and he felt comforted by the thought that she was watching over him. Jack continued to run his business, but he always made sure to take time to remember Sarah and the love that they had shared. He would visit her grave every day and bring her fresh flowers. He also started a foundation in her memory to help other women who were in the same situation as Sarah had been. Years went by, and Jack's business became even more successful. But despite his success, he never forgot the love that he had shared with his wife, and he always made sure to honor her memory. And so, the story of Jack and Sarah lives on as a testament to the power of love and the strength of the human spirit. 2. Assess understanding. 1. Who was Jack? 2. Why was Jack unhappy despite his wealth and success? 3. Who did Jack meet in the park? 4. Why was Sarah crying in the park? 5. What did Jack do to help Sarah? 6. How did Jack and Sarah's relationship develop? 7. What happened to Sarah? 8. How did Jack feel after Sarah's passing? 9. What did Jack do to honor Sarah's memory? 10. Did Jack forget about Sarah as he became more successful? 11. Who is the story of Jack and Sarah a testament to? 12. How did Jack feel after he met Sarah for the first time? 13. What was Jack's business like? 14. What did Jack do to remember Sarah? 15. What is the main message of the story of Jack and Sarah? 3. Difficult word explanation. Luxurious, lavish and comfortable in style or manner. Example, Jack lived a luxurious life. Put one's finger on, to identify the source of a feeling or problem. Example, Jack couldn't put his finger on what was missing in his life. Approached, came near or closer to someone. Example, Jack approached Sarah while she was sitting on a bench. Devastated, overwhelmed with sadness or grief. Example, Jack was devastated by the loss of his wife. Memorial, a monument or structure built to honor a person's memory. Example, Jack started a foundation in Sarah's memory. Testament, a declaration or proof of something. Example, the story of Jack and Sarah is a testament to the power of love. Strength of the human spirit, the mental and emotional resilience and courage of human beings. Example, the story of Jack and Sarah is a testament to the strength of the human spirit. Fresh, new or recently made. Example, Jack would bring fresh flowers to Sarah's grave every day. Honoring, showing respect and admiration. Example, Jack always made sure to honor Sarah's memory. 4. Question review. 1. Jack was a wealthy businessman who lived a luxurious life. 2. Jack felt that something was missing in his life, and he couldn't put his finger on it. 3. Jack met Sarah in the park while she was sitting on a bench and crying. 4. Sarah was crying because her husband had left her for another woman. 5. Jack offered to take Sarah out for dinner to cheer her up. 6. Jack and Sarah started dating after talking about their lives and desires over dinner, and eventually got married. 7. Sarah became ill and passed away despite medical treatments. 8. Jack was devastated by the loss of his wife, but he realized that their love would never die. 9. Jack would visit Sarah's grave every day and bring her fresh flowers, and started a foundation in her memory to help other women in similar situations. 10. No, despite his success, Jack never forgot about the love he shared with Sarah and always honored her memory. 11. The story of Jack and Sarah is a testament to the power of love and the strength of the human spirit. 12. Jack felt a deep connection with Sarah and knew that he had to do something to help her. 13. Jack was a wealthy businessman who ran a successful business. 14. Jack would visit Sarah's grave every day and bring her fresh flowers, and started a foundation in her memory. 15. The main message of the story of Jack and Sarah is the power of love and the strength of the human spirit, as demonstrated by their unbreakable love for each other.